ও আমার একটু বন্ধুরা শোনো, আমার একটা কথা শোনো, তোমরা যেন মোটা হইও না। ওজন বাড়ে বাড়ুক, ওজন বাড়ে বাড়ুক, তবু বডির ওজন বাড়তে দিও না। ও আমার পেটুক বন্ধুরা শোনো, আমার একটা কথা শোনো, তোমরা যেন মোটা হইও না। তোমরা যেন মোটা হইও না। তোমরা যেন মোটা হইও না।
আর তাই চলো যাই সবাই ক্লাব খাই খাই। খাই খাই ক্লাবে গিয়ে কি হবে?
আমার পরানো যাহা চাই, যাহা চাই তাহা খাই গো। আমার পরানো যাহা চাই।
Namaskar, Chef Pradeep Rosario at Khai Khai Club. Today I'm going to show you a beautiful prawn dish, very lovely prawn dish which is unusual. It is going to be served in this 2 bell pepper basket. What I'm going to do is, first I'm going to make a basket, simple basket, cut into 2 pieces and blanch this. Then I'm going to marinate these prawns, cook it in the pan and serve it in this basket. To make this basket, it is very easy. You just have to remove one side of the bell pepper like this. Keep it aside. One more. Yeah. And then remove the seed like this. And you have to blanch this. Remove the seed. Bell pepper will look like this, a basket like. And in a pan, I'm going to add some water to blanch the bell peppers. Put the bell pepper like this to get it blanched, boil, and see that it is cooked. While that is getting cooked, what I'm going to do is marinate this prawn. I will add some salt in the prawn. The prawn is cleaned and deveined. Some olive oil, chopped garlic, because I love garlic, you see, and some chili powder, and an unusual lime of Bengal. This is a lime which gives a very aromatic flavor to the whole dish. I will add this juice in the prawn and then marinate the prawn like this and keep it aside. I need some broccoli. I'll cut this broccoli into small pieces. Yeah. I need this broccoli which is to be very small pieces. Yeah, like this small pieces, which I'm going to blanch again. Put in the water like this. Remove the stems. Just take off the broccoli buds. Again, remove the stems. The broccoli buds just goes inside the boiling water along with the capsicum. Remove this, put it aside, and then let me see how it is. I'm going to transfer this. See the color. When you blanch the bell peppers, the color also changes. It gives a more prominent color to the whole bell peppers. Yeah. Now, when that is getting boiled, we will start with the prawn. Add some olive oil, 2 spoons, and then when it's getting heated, I will take a slicer and put this prawn in the pan. Wow. Wow. Simmer this like this, and the prawn will start becoming pink in color. I will add some more salt. I feel it is required. Some more salt and some celery chop, and then simmer it. And I will check whether my broccoli is cooked. Yeah, my broccoli is cooked. I'll take out the broccoli from the blanched boiling water and put it in the prawn. That's it. Put all the broccoli in the prawn to give the color and the taste and the texture all comes in one particular prawn dish. Lovely it is. Toss it again. Wow. Let me see my bell peppers. I'll turn it around again. Yeah, I think I add some more water. And keep it boiling. See the color, green and the white prawns, so lovely it is. And now I'm going to add some sugar, half teaspoon exactly, just to make the prawn caramelize. Wow. And let me see the capsicum. Wow. It is blanched and ready. Beautiful. Beautiful as I expected. Take a tongue like this. See that you remove all the water from the capsicum and put it on a plate like this. Like this. Now this prawn has to finish. I think I have put all the seasoning to the prawns. The final touch is I'm going to add a lot of cream to it. Half cup cream and then simmer. Simmer. Yeah. The moment you simmer, the cream will start becoming thickening, and I'm going to taste and see how exactly fine. Absolutely right. I will take this two basket, put this prawn and the broccoli in the basket. Fill it up. How is it? Looking tempting? Wow. Fill it up. You can call this prawn in a bell pepper basket. Wow. And then broccoli here and there on the plate like this. Put it here and there like this. And then rest of the sauce. Take the sauce, present it like this. Wow, lovely. What a lovely, beautiful basket it is for this lovely season. When you call this season, this whole December is a lovely season for celebrating every moment of your life. Celebrate your life in this festive season with this prawn in the basket.